Hey y'all, today we're going to take a look at this Zippo Heatbank. It's a heat warmer, hand warmer, and a power bank in one. So we're going to unwrap it, have a look at it, see how it feels, and just check it out. So let's get it open, right? Let's get it open. Where's my scissors at? There we go. Get this open. Got a little charging cable. Looks like it's a regular USB to USB 2.0. Got some instructions. Got the heat bank. And we got a neck lanyard, they call it. Alright, so let's have a look at what we got here. This heat bank is rechargeable, hand warmer, keeps you from the office to the woods, keeps you warm. Convenient power bank feature recharges your USB compatible device so you can stay connected while enjoying the outdoors. Up to 9 hours of heat. 5200 milliamp hour lithium ion battery bank, ergonomic design. Battery and heat indicator lights, up to 120 degrees operating temp, 50 degrees Celsius. 1 or 2-sided heat output, that's interesting. 6 heat settings. And then we have our input 5 volts, 2 amps. And output 5 volt, 2 amp. Neck lanyard included. Anyway, let's check it out. Now I wonder if this is charged up. It probably has to be charged. So what I'm going to do is plug it in and we'll charge it up and then we'll get back to the video. So let's get it charged up. Let's check this out. We got a little mini cable. It's nice. I hate all them long cables. So let's plug it in here. Alright. Upside down. Common mistake, that's why we got the new USB, right? We don't have to worry about that. We're just going to plug it into this thing here. Turn it on. And you can see it's charging. The blue light there saying it's charging. Oh, this thing's pretty dead, so we're not going to turn it on until it's charged up. So we'll be right back as soon as this is charged. Alright, it looks like we're all charged up here. Let's turn it on. So it says to turn it on, we're going to hold this button here for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the blue light will come on. And that will say that the blue light is 2-sided heat, and the one light indicates that it's on low. So if we press the button again, it'll go higher and higher. And that's on 2-sided heat. And instructions say not to, if you're using it and your hand's out, it's going to cool off fast in the wind. You know what I mean? If it's in your pocket, it'll stay warmer. So now if we press the button again, the light will turn green. That means we're on 1-sided heat. So with 1-sided heat, we're going to save battery power and still keep our hands warm. You know what I mean? You could probably have it in your hand, you'll be doing this, you know what I mean? Fingertips, palm, fingertips, right? And then that's high heat, super high heat for one side. And if you just keep switching 2 sides, high heat. Shut it off. We're going to hold this down for 5 seconds. And it goes off. Let's see how hot it actually gets. Let's put it on 2-sided, on high. And I got my heat sensor here. And we'll try that. How's that sound? So it's heating up. Let's see where we're at. 98, 102, 103, 104. See if it's still getting hotter. 98, 105, 106. Let's see what the other side holds. 98. 104, 106. This side seems hotter than the other side. Ooh, it is hotter. Yeah, that's hotter. This side's probably just heating up now. Blue is the two-sided. Let's see how we're doing now. And we're up there, 101, 102. Pretty even heat. It's just getting warmed up. I don't think it's going to get much hotter than that, though. That's pretty hot. It does say here. Oh, no, that's the temperature it's designed to work in. Yeah, not the temperature that it goes up to. Just scanning to see if it gives us any indication of how hot it gets. I don't see anything. Pretty hot. Let's try it again. 101, like I said, that's probably about as hot as it's going to get. 103, 105. That's it. Anyway, handy little device if you can get one cheap. I got mine from Marlboro catalog. You can too. Anyway, I'll leave a link where you can get this product, and the one with the, there's a new one with a digital readout here. I don't have that one. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Let's shut this bad boy off now, huh? Probably gonna have to recharge it too, so we'll just plug it right back in. We gotta turn the charger on. It looks like it's still charged, so even though we used it for a minute, it's still fully charged. Anyway guys, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.